Are you an adventurer at heart? Ready to tackle the wildest and most dangerous hiking trails on the planet? Hold on tight, because in this video, we're counting down the top 10 most dangerous hiking trails that push the limits of even the most experienced hikers. Starting off at number 10 is the Kalalau Trail in Hawaii. This 22-mile round trip along the Nepali coast is as stunning as it is dangerous. The narrow, slippery paths hug steep cliffs, and flash floods can turn the trail deadly in minutes. Number 9 takes us to the maze in Utah, part of the Canyonlands National Park. As the name suggests, this trail is a complex labyrinth of canyons where getting lost is a real threat. The extreme remoteness means help is days away, making this trail a true test of survival. At number 8, we have Mount Shan in China. Known for its terrifying plank walk, hikers must traverse narrow wooden planks bolted to a sheer cliff, with only a chain to hold on to. One misstep, and it's a long way down. Coming in at number 7 is the Drakensberg Traverse in South Africa. This trail is notorious for its rugged terrain, unpredictable weather, and sheer cliffs. Hikers must navigate treacherous passes and climb chain ladders on exposed rock faces. Number 6 is the Aonach Eagach Ridge in Scotland. A razor-thin ridge that tests even the bravest hikers. With no easy escape routes, once you start, there's no turning back. The ridge is narrow, and one wrong move could lead to a fatal fall. Halfway through our list is El Caminito del Rey in Spain, once known as the world's most dangerous walkway. This trail, built along the sides of a narrow gorge, was originally constructed for workers at the nearby dam. With crumbling paths and no handrails, it's a nerve-wracking experience. Number 4 is the Kokoda Track in Papua New Guinea, infamous for its challenging conditions and historical significance during World War II. The trail is a grueling 60-mile trek through thick jungle, steep climbs, and unpredictable weather, testing both physical and mental endurance. Coming in at number 3 is Angel's Landing in Utah's Zion National Park. This trail is famous for its breathtaking views and its perilous final ascent, where hikers must navigate a narrow ridge with sheer drop-offs on either side. Only the fearless need apply. Number 2 on our list is the Snowman Trek in Bhutan, one of the most challenging high-altitude hikes in the world. Covering over 200 miles across 11 mountain passes, many above 16,000 feet, this trek is a true test of endurance and survival skills. And finally, at number 1, we have Huayna Picchu in Peru. This trail ascends the steep peak overlooking Machu Picchu, with ancient stone steps that are often slippery and dangerously narrow. The breathtaking view at the top comes with a price. Only the brave reach it. These trails aren't for the faint-hearted. Each one presents unique challenges that require skill, courage, and a touch of madness. If you ever find yourself on one of these trails, remember to respect the dangers they hold. Which trail would you dare to conquer? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily Life Epics for more epic content. Thank you. Tune in for more top 10 videos to come.